Hi guys, it's Hani here, and today we're going to make more Halloween cookies. Are you guys excited? Today I prepared for you a really easy tutorial. This is great for all skill levels, and I'm using my sugar cookie dough recipe to make the cookies, and to decorate I'm using crusting buttercream. Both of these are on my blog and link is in the description box under this video. So let's get started. Take a spoonful of orange colored buttercream and spread it on a cookie. I'm using back of the spoon to push the buttercream onto the cookie. If there is excess buttercream, just scrape it off and put it back into the bowl. Make sure that you cover the bowls with buttercream that you're not using with a damp paper towel to prevent it from crusting. I'm also going to create segments on this design. This is going to be jack-o'-lantern. Wipe the back of the spoon clean with a paper towel and then start creating segments in the middle, moving the spoon from the top to the bottom on a slight curve, like this. Now to make the faces, first draw these onto the buttercream with a toothpick and then fill them with buttercream. I'm going to use black buttercream. To hold the piping bag, hold it at the very top where it's twisted, and I have my piping bag fitted with a round piping tip number 3. Now we're going to outline each section, and then I'm using back and forth motion, filling with buttercream, creating a zigzag pattern basically. This is a really easy and effective way to fill in these sections, and if you need to take a break, just go ahead, take a little break, and then start where you finished. And there. Second design, it's a super cute ghost. I think this one is my favorite. I'm using purple buttercream, again spreading it evenly onto a cookie using a spoon. Now you can use some decorative sprinkles around, and again with a toothpick draw the ghost shape, and now with white buttercream we're going to outline, and I'm going to create lines like this instead of going zigzag over the whole width of the ghost, which I find can be kind of stressful on your wrist. This is easier, and we're going to fill this with white and then use the black buttercream to make the eyes and the mouth. And if you are feeling up to it, you can also write boo. Now this third design, also very popular, mummy. So I'm starting with black buttercream, piping a zigzag pattern again at the very top of the cookie, and now we're going to pipe 2 eyes starting with the white, and I'm going to add black for the pupils in the middle. Now I'm going to switch out my piping tip. I'm using number 3 here, and I'm going to switch it out for a piping tip number 104. This is a pedal tip. And now we're going to pipe lines across like so. You can also use a basket weave. If you have basket weave piping tip, that would work as well. And with the mummy design, you don't have to cover the whole cookie with buttercream. You can leave few sections undecorated. It's perfectly fine. Now to clean up the edges, you can use a toothpick to scrape off some icing if it's oozing out, and there you have super easy buttercream decorated Halloween cookies. Don't forget to check out my blog post with all the details and recipes that I used for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads, and I will see you next time.